Hey guys, thanks for coming along today on this ride. I am headed out with my buddy JK, and he is going to be on his 04 V-Strom 1000. We're going to be taking a ride up through Southwest Virginia. Overall, we had a great day. It's beautiful weather today, and just a fun day. Now, on today's ride, I wasn't able to do vlogging as we were riding, and here's why. I have the new Sena headset, and my buddy JK has the older headset, and so I hadn't done enough reading up to know how to pair those and send both of them through to the Gopro and the Sena backpack, Bluetooth backpack. So I was really just planning on getting a little bit of footage and just he and I communicating, having kind of a fun day out talking, going through the mountains in Southwest Virginia. But so I'm going to read up on that and figure out how to do it. I know that you can take both his voice and my voice and send it to the Bluetooth Sena, so we can both kind of be narrating as we're riding. But today wasn't one of those days, so I'm going to kind of bring some videos in between to kind of let you know what's happening. And I'm going to do some voiceovers, so you'll hear the voiceovers knowing that actually I'm not vlogging, but this is after the fact. But I think it makes the trip a little bit more interesting, so you'll know what's happening. So we're going to start out actually at the High Knob Tower. It's almost, I think it's around 4,000 feet, and the views up there are just beautiful. Check them out. So we're on High Knob Tower here in Southwest Virginia, not far from Norton, Virginia, and you can see the views are just unbelievable. It's amazing how far you can see. You can see all the way to Kentucky in one direction, and this direction you can see there's old JK having a little snack in his arrow stitch suit. But I think in this direction you can see all the way over to North Carolina, and it is just gorgeous. This tower's new. Last time we were up there, you couldn't even get up to it, and so fortunately this time we were able to get up there and check out the views. You know, the last time we were up here, I was up here with my buddy DL4, and this kind of observation tower here, that High Knob was not even open yet to the public. They were still doing some work on it, so it's brand new. It's really neat sight to see. So if you're ever up in this area, you can get to it from Norton, Virginia, which would be by car or by motorcycle or four-wheeler, the way we came up across High Knob from over in Fort Blackmore, Virginia, up that way. This is a section after we left High Knob Overlook Tower. There's a little bit of stretch here of asphalt. It's kind of a single lane asphalt. If you pass somebody, you really got to get over to the side. But it's just beautiful riding along the ridge of this mountain up this high. And you know, the pavement's really nice, and you can just kind of cruise through there. And it was about 56, 57 degrees. And just a good time to come through there, actually. Probably be a little bit better once the leaves start turning. But once those leaves start turning, start falling off, they'll be hitting that pavement, so it can make it a little bit more difficult to ride through there. But this section right here was really neat. A section of pavement that will eventually, here in a few minutes, you'll see it'll turn into more of a fire road, just rock and hard-packed dirt as you go through there. Love this scenery. This is some of my favorite kind of riding right here in the mountains. If you watch any of my videos, you know that already, so I'm not telling you anything new. So here we are off on the fire road, and you can see the GoPro camera jumping around just a little bit. But I told my buddy, we were talking back and forth across our intercoms, and I said, hey, go around me up here when we get in a straight stretch, and I want to get some video of you riding through the mountains. And no JK comes around me here in just a couple of minutes, and then I'll follow him for a little bit on the fire road. we just cruise on back toward the house. Enjoy the ride. But guys, thanks for watching today, and I hope you enjoyed the ride. Sorry I wasn't actually vlogging while I was riding, but hopefully this was fun enough for you to check out. And we had a great ride today. But make sure you hit the like button, and again, thanks for watching, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. I'll see you guys later, and always remember to ride like you are invisible. See you later.